Hello, my fellow Aldi addict. It's Jackie. I'm at Aldi. It's another Sunday. Let's get into the store, get some good food, and I'll share with you my meal plan at the end.
I haven't bought these in a while. My son loves them. $2.69. I need salsa for dinner this week, and that looks really good. $2.29. We are having walking tacos at the request of my 12-year-old, and we build them ourselves, but we need corn chips to put at the base. It's like a taco salad with fritos. White bread, 87 cents. My son loves toast. I'm going to get 3 packs of strawberries. They look really good at $1.99 this week, and then a bag of grapes at $1.69 a pound. I'm making a lemon pasta, so I need lemons. $2.99 for the entire bag. We'll need to find something else to use those for. We are going to be making homemade Big Macs. So I'm going to get these sesame seed brioche buns at $3.75. Bananas at 40 cents a pound. I'll get these guys. A weekly staple, because we love it, cilantro, 79 cents. I'm going to get broccoli at $1.79 per pound. Some of these do not look very good though. If you follow me on Instagram, you know I had some mold issues last week that I had to return. This one looks pretty good. Also, I'm going to get green beans at $1.65. Maybe. Some of these aren't looking the best. Those look pretty good. Last week I bought a carton of kiwi and they were super moldy, but my kids, once I got non-moldy ones, devoured them. So I'm getting another carton, $4.39. I'm gonna get $1.59 shredded lettuce for our Big Macs. I'm getting apples per the request of my 12-year-old, and galas are the least expensive, so we're gonna get a bag at $3.49. For cheesy potatoes and walking tacos, I need sour cream, 99 cents. And then I want this indulgent Greek honey yogurt at $3.89. So good. I've been craving this. I feel like I always need butter, $2.90. We use a lot of it. I'm making homemade french fries to go with our burgers this week, so I need potatoes, $3.99 for 10 pounds. I'm making a homemade salsa this week, and 89 cents for crushed tomatoes. I'm going to get 3 cans of black beans at 58 cents. This is a meat substitute we use in a lot of our meals, and my vegetarian loves them. I'm almost out of ketchup, $1.49. I'm going to get grape tomatoes at $2.29 for lunches, and then a couple of Roma tomatoes for burgers. Obviously, Big Macs need pickle slices, $1.89. And black olives for walking tacos, $1.25. We have a play date coming over this week, and popcorn's always an easy choice for kids, $1.77. I'm restocking our granola bars. My kids grab them for various things. I'm getting the sweet and salty peanut. We love these. Also, as my kids call them, the Butterfinger ones, the chewy dipped. I wanted to get the assorted, but they're all out. My daughter was very disappointed I didn't buy this last week, so I had to get it this week, $2.24 for grape juice. Lots of flowers for those of you that garden, which is not me, but they have lots of bulbs, it looks like. I think these are super cute. I think I'm going to get them because I have a lot of sprinkles and different things that we use for baking. $7.99. Love that. They have serving. I think that is super cute. Little mini pans. I also absolutely love this. It's just not practical. I mean, I kind of want to get it just for a serving set, but it's super cute. Adorable. Dual compartment bins, sheets, warmers, lots of candles. One Christmas, I bought my girls every sewing set that they had, and they have them, which obviously $4.99 is a really good price if you would all look for like sewing scissors. Really decent sets. And I saw this, and I know my kids would love to have this. No electricity needed, and it reflects their own heat. My cats seek heat everywhere. They have rugs, storage. They still have all the fitness stuff. Oh, it looks like they got rid of the yoga kit. I was going to say if it goes on clearance, I'll probably get it, but it's gone. So it's not on clearance. These have been hanging out for quite a while, the mini wooden serving sets, and I think they're so cute, but just very impractical for me, like with my kids. I know I'll just be angry washing them every time, but they're really cute. I think the ice buckets are nice. Beverage tubs. Still have all these. Maybe they'll go marked down and I'll buy it. Small appliances. So many throws, blankets. We still have the carafes, tumblers. I do love this stuff. Really powerful. You guys, all of this stuff is so cute, adorable. Like all of it. And I'm buying some for Easter baskets. I'm going to get one of each of these characters for my kids. Pig, the sheep, the duck. Adorable. So I got the characters, but they also have like these surprise eggs. I got one of those last year, super cute. I think these are adorable too, but at the price I just had to pick between the characters or this, and sorry, but those win. How adorable. I so love them. $3.99. Mini eggs, I always love these. Super yummy chocolates. Wafer eggs. Here is more of the candy Easter stuff. Love these coins. Really yummy looking truffles. All of the branding is adorable. I am obsessed. I love Cadbury eggs. I don't buy them because I would be the only one in my family to eat them all. But look at these. $1.22 for this pack. I'm going to get 2 of them for my own personal candy drawer. This is a great way when you like candy but you don't want to eat a bunch. And get a couple of these because you open one little pack and you're satisfied. I need 2 cans of this Aldi version of Rotel for my homemade salsa, 68 cents. We are almost out of olive oil. This is my go-to, $3.89. For my lemon butter pasta, I'm using angel hair, so it's $1.64. This will get me definitely more than one dinner. It's 2 pounds worth. And then one night, I'm just making buttered pasta for dinner. We have a really busy night, and my family can have fruits and vegetables with it, so I'm getting penne for that, 82 cents. So I had seen this a few weeks ago and wanted to add it to my meal plan, Parmesan garlic chicken coating, so I'm making my tenders using this. It's $1.19, and there's 2 pouches in there, so you can get 2 dinners worth. I'm excited to try it. They have 3 different flavors. I want to make some crumble type cookies this week, and we're running low on some baking supplies. So I'm getting powdered sugar at $1.44. Brown sugar I think is maybe $1.49. Hard to tell. And then I also need to get some flour at $1.49 for that as well. One thing I have to go to other stores for is cream of celery soup. I don't like mushrooms, so we don't use cream of mushroom if I can avoid it. And obviously with a vegetarian, I'm not going to use cream of chicken, so that is one thing I wish Aldi sold. Okay, so you guys know I like to use my frozen chicken. I buy it on clearance, and 30% isn't my favorite price off, but it's enough to make me buy fresh this week and not use my frozen. So I'm going to get 30% off of $6.15. $4.49 a pound, so $7.45 for beef patties. This is the ham cabinet. It always is just full of ham. We have lots of seafood stuff. You guys know I don't eat that, but they have it. Lots of different things. Salmon bites, shrimp scampi, seafood jambalaya, mussels, stuffed clams. They have the seafood selection this week. More onion rings. We did really like those, but I'm not going to get any this week just because I don't have a plan, and my freezer gets full that way. Lots of different veggies. These all always look good, but I'm not in need. Oh, hey, there's my favorite broccoli. I'm going to get one of these for the night that my family's having noodles. I'll make this on the side for them. I have other plans, so I'm not eating dinner with them, and it's going to make very easy. Ooh, meatballs. Love the meatballs. I don't think they're $4.19 though. No, $13.99. I already have meatballs in my freezer. Ice cream. And this is what I was looking for, frozen blueberries, because we're having blueberry pancakes this week, and I love using frozen fruit for that. I need more cheddar, $2.59. Let's see. Sometimes they have pepper jack. Oh yeah, okay. So I'm gonna get pepper jack also for the walking tacos, $3.09. Yay, they have this back. They have the mild. Usually I get medium. Okay. They have the medium salsa. We love this, $2.39. And then I need to find the shredded Parmesan. $2.15 for that. We are gonna try these in my daughter's lunch this week, $3.89. So I've never bought these before, but it seems like a better value than the fresh ones. So I'm actually gonna get these at $10.69 instead of the other ones. I'm getting shredded hash browns for my cheesy potatoes. $1.79 for those. My kids requested mint and chocolate chip ice cream, $1.95. And look, it's a free sample. Okay, bye-bye more expensive beef. My budget says no. So here's like where all of the older items get moved in the Aldi Finds food aisle. I still absolutely love my waffle maker. I don't have this brand, but we love having one at home. Waffles are a great, fun dinner. Pans still here, kettlebells. Love my kettlebell. Lots of different snacky foods in here. I've heard these are worth trying, so I'm going to get them. I'm not even going to try to say it, but they're $1.99. Okay, so the Aldi waters are on sale for $2.95, the Bellevue brand. I'm going to get actually 2 of the tangerine. As I was leaving, my 10-year-old asked me to get fudgy brownies, and I almost forgot. 98 cents. On my way to my... So here is my cart. There are bags under there. It looks really full. I'm kind of afraid, but what do you think the total is going to be? So I was right, these are marked half off on accident, so they should have been $2.48 a piece. I got them for $1.22 a piece, and my total was $152.25. Here we go. So I took these out of the container just so you guys could see them. I have the OXO, like the push button where it seals everything really well. I love all of those. I got those at Costco like 5 or 6 years ago almost. But I thought these were adorable and super functional. So they have a scoop side, they have the shaker side. So I really like this idea of putting sprinkles in one. That's probably what I'm going to do in this. And then I'm probably going to put cinnamon sugar in this one. And I'm not sure what I'll put in that one. But for the cost, I feel like the value on these is really high. And I know I will get lots of use out of them. Our meal plan for the week, I'm making cheesy potatoes. This is at the request of my 12-year-old. And I'm going to make shake and bake chicken. I bought the Parmesan shaker stuff with that. We'll have green beans. We're going to have walking tacos. Again, this is another dinner that my daughter Mila, the 12-year-old, requested. I'm going to make lemon butter pasta. I found this on TikTok. It looks super good to me. It's super simple. It's also a vegetarian meal, which is important. We are going to have carry-out pizza on Friday, the first day of spring break. So I'm not planning a dinner that night. We'll have fruits and veggies available, though. I'm going to make blueberry pancakes. We'll have bacon and smoothies. I have bacon in the freezer. We're going to have burgers and fries. I will make the blueberry pancakes first so that we have bacon to put on our burgers. I'm going to make mine like a Big Mac. I think Elsie probably will too, and maybe Calvin. But we have Thousand Island dressing. We'll have diced onion. We'll have cheddar cheese, the shredded lettuce, pickles, and we got the sesame seed buns, which are very important for Big Macs. I'm going to make homemade French fries. And then finally, there's a night I will not be eating dinner with my family. They're going to either have leftovers or buttered noodles and steamed broccoli. I'll have noodles ready, and then they can doctor it up, whether it's leftover sauce in the fridge, pesto, Parmesan cheese, cheddar cheese, salt and pepper, just plain butter noodles. They can do whatever they want with them. They'll have broccoli and then whatever leftovers are left from the rest of the night. And I'm simply planning it so it's easy, and since I'm not eating dinner, I don't have to worry about it. I have other plans. So this is our meal plan for the week. If I use a recipe, it'll be linked below, but things like burgers,
I don't use a recipe for obvious reasons. I just make the burger and then we top it with whatever toppings we want. So if making homemade Big Macs sounds interesting to you, you can check out this video right here where I share with you a week of eating and how I made an entire week of fast food type meals. Thank you so much for watching. Ciao, Don, and ciao.